What's up guys, it's A here from Tech, and I've got something special in store for this video. Today, I'm putting the Victus 15 by HP to the ultimate test, convincing me to go and pursue gaming with passion. Now, I have to admit, I'm not really a newbie in the gaming scene. Instead, I'm more of a casual gamer that enjoys playing different types of games to de-stress from life, or just to pass the time. I guess you can say I'm still somewhat of a rookie when it comes to most games, since I only play a few games competitively, or at least I try to. But hey, I'm not a pro, and that just makes things a lot more exciting. So roll that OBB, and let's get started. I'll be playing various games I don't play too often just to see how this machine performs. The Victus 15 by HP features a fast 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, making it very capable of gaming on the go. At the heart of it are the 12th Gen Intel H series processors, built for the next generation of gaming. These processors will take things to a whole new level. It lets you play your favorite games anytime, anywhere, without compromising the experience you would get from a PC too much. So enough about me talking about this laptop and its specs. I'm sure you guys want to see me play a game. And I want to start with a game that demands not only high performance, but also high FPS. With that, I have to go with Valorant. Let's see how I can take advantage of the Victus 15 by HP's fast features to advance me to the next level. So, let's get started. Okay, now I've loaded up Valorant real quick, so let's play a quick game of deathmatch. Skill issue.
Sorry, only brought enough for me.
Fight!
Stay safe. See ya.
Okay, so I'm getting really good graphics. I'm getting good FPS. As you can see, it's around 200, 300. You can see in the corner, not good FPS, which is something you actually need here. But what I do lack is skill. Yep, skill. Oh my god. Not how to So yeah, here pretty much handles it. This laptop, you play Valorant without any issue, even if everything's on high.
Stay down! 10 kills remaining.
Damn, how are they getting kills? Man, if this was caught, I would. Lost that one, but not really the laptop's fault, but more of my fault for being a noob. Okay, so my games didn't go according to plan, but that's mainly my fault, not the Victus 15 by HP. The laptop performed really well, but skill issue on my end. Now for my second game, I think I want to go outside and touch some grass first. But on a more serious note, I love the design of this laptop and its size. I can easily make a stop anywhere to do a task or play a game because I can easily carry it around like it's nothing. It's very portable too, fits in my backpack really well. Now, even though I did say I'll be touching some grass outside, I remembered that I haven't done my dailies in Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail just yet. Okay, so here we are, and I'm gonna do my dailies because I haven't done it yet. Even though I did say I am gonna go touch some grass. But that's pretty much fine, because I need to go around. And as you can see, Sumeru looks really beautiful. Like the city. And yes, the fan does run a bit loud, but still, the graphics are really great. It's better than what I was expecting, and I'm currently running the settings on all high. Okay, so let's see how it handles clearing some enemies. So the great thing about the HP Victus is I can play games like Genshin here without encountering any issues, but you can also do some work. And I can't see the FPS, but this is currently set up at 60 FPS for the PC. But yeah, to give you guys a better idea, I'll go run through the dungeon and let's see how this performs. See, handles it pretty well, no issue. Cleared that really quickly. So yeah, playing games like Genshin and Honkai Star Rail on this, you're really gonna enjoy all the graphics and you can take in all of the immersive views. Plus, the audio is really loud, so you can actually listen to the beautiful music of Genshin. But yeah, that's enough playing for me right now because I gotta get back to work, and so I'll see you guys back at the A-roll room. Now, these types of immersive games are perfect for this device thanks to the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 144 refresh rate and B&O tuned speakers. They offer a nice balance between amazing pixels and a great audio experience. But if you want to go the extra mile, you can optimize your gaming experience through the Omen Gaming Hub. Aside from storing and organizing all the games in your library, you can also adjust the lighting and sound setting of your whole setup to match the game that you're playing. I heard it's also the best platform for gamers and social streamers on Victus. What makes this laptop very capable for both gaming and work is Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0. With either P cores and E cores matching your workload, it's also easier to switch between tasks without the fear of losing an important yet unresponsive window. I also appreciate the upgraded cooling system since it's designed to optimize airflow whether you're gaming, streaming, browsing, or working all at the same time. It keeps it cool quite literally, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Also, props to HP for incorporating productive features like having MS Office Home and Student 2021 pre-installed into the Victus 15. Because of this, you can actually be productive with a gaming laptop. Just don't get distracted by accidentally launching a game and forgetting to get work done. Then there's also the innovative hybrid architecture that lets you optimize your gaming. Speaking from a beginner's perspective, this was a fun challenge. Ultimately, the Victus 15 by HP is a powerful sidekick, even for casual gamers like me. It has made my gaming experience more enjoyable because, as they say, gaming happens with Intel. Now, if you're interested in the Victus 15 by HP, this great gaming laptop is available on Shopee and Lazada. At the same time, share your thoughts about the Victus 15 by HP in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.